Okay. In Linux, we know that there is a mode called Superuser mode.
Hmm.
So how can you switch that, and why it is necessary to use the Superuser mode?
Okay, so super user mode means to use some of the commands as a root user, because as I previously mentioned, like Linux doesn't give a user full access, like the full permission to execute some commands. So for that reason, we can use the sudo, which actually allow a user to execute a command as a root user. So if I want to switch as a root user, I can use the command as sudo, then space su. It actually give me the permission for the root user, and I can use all of the commands that a root user can do.
Okay. Uh, okay. Now suppose you have to go inside a directory which has the Superuser permission. Suppose the user directory. We know that user directory, normal user cannot view the user directory. Okay. So whenever you will want to go inside or want to view that, suppose cat space, then hyphen root dot var dot user slash. So in that case, you will encounter an error that you don't have any permission for accessing
Yes.
this file or for accessing this folder. So in that case, what you have to do if you get this
So,
error?
so in that case, I just have to switch as a root user, or I can use the sudo command to execute the command as a root user.
So basically that sudo command
Yeah,
mainly
the sudo command.
there.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.